Here's a sink that is leaking in a way that I've never seen before. I'll show you underneath. You can see this water is dripping not from here, but from right up here. There's a horizontal crack here, a slit, where the water is coming right through there. So for about $4, you could buy an extension tube to replace this one, but I'm going to show you how to fix the one that is already in place, and you won't even have to remove it. We'll need to dry it off well first. We'll scrub the outer surface to clean it. We'll be using this hot soldering iron to plastic weld this back to itself. So near the point where the crack is, you want to go in from the side. You can see it start to melt, and now we're going to go in from either side to fill that gap. Pushing in right where the crack is. You can see it's melted, so we're smearing that melted plastic right over the slit and repeating. It's melting in. We're moving that melted plastic into the slit. And just keep working your way all the way around. Wherever the slit ends, you end. Remember, melt it on either side of the slit and then push it back in to that void you just created. So this will work just as well as replacing it, but you don't have to go to the store and you don't have to spend $4. So with this method, you will not have to disassemble this pipe and deal with any water leakage. Okay, as you can see, you're definitely going to have some fumes, so you want to have it do this while it's well ventilated. Turn on a fan to blow these fumes away from you, or open a window. With the soldering iron out of the way, we're going to turn the water back on and see if our leak is fixed. So as you can see, there is no more water dripping out of that seam. I have no idea how that slice got in there. It looked like a manufacturer seam, actually. There's another one up above that we have not had any leakage problems with. I don't know if you can see that. There's a fine line right down here. And that's what this looked like, but it was completely separated, as you saw, and now it's fixed. So that took all of about 5 minutes or less. And just as double security, we're putting a few layers of toilet paper here so we can see if even one drip comes from here, we'll know it. But everything's perfectly dry right now, and it only took 5 minutes and $0 money.